What's up, y'all? So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and download your free copy of the Manifest My Dream Life ebook and also come and join the free Discord community. The link for both of those will be in the description below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video. So you're manifesting an SP, but you feel like maybe it's going to work, maybe it's not going to work. Maybe you've been affirming for your SP and you feel like nothing's working. Maybe you're just manifesting an SP out of thin air and you're stuck on how are you going to manifest the exact person that you want out of thin air, and you don't know who they are, they don't know who you are. This video is going to give you all of the peace of mind that you need to manifest your SP, because when I tell you manifesting your SP is one of the easiest things that you can do, program yourself to think that way. People are so easy to manifest. And the reason why people are so easy to manifest is because they are literally just a reflection of your assumptions about them or about people in general. So if you're manifesting an SP, let me tell you all of the reasons why you already have your SP right now, okay? The first reason is because your SP is not separate from you. So we tend to view people as separate from us, outside of us. They're out here living in the world doing their own thing. They got free will. And of course, that's how we were conditioned to think growing up. But once you understand how life really works, that's not how it is. Nobody is separate from you, and everybody is a reflection of your assumptions. They're not a reflection of who you are being. They are a reflection of who you are thinking them to be, who you are assuming them to be. So if you are assuming that somebody treats you bad, then yes, they're going to treat you bad. And if you assume that somebody showers you with love and affection, then yes, they're going to shower you with love and affection, because nobody is separate from you. You have assumptions about specific people in your reality. You have assumptions about specific genders, about specific categories of people, specific stereotypes of people. You have all of these assumptions, and those assumptions play out on your reality every day. But when we're specifically focusing on your SP, what do you think about them? What are your assumptions about them? Are you telling the story to yourself that they are taking too long, they're moving too slow, they're not committed, they're not in constant communication, they have a 3P? Like, what is the story that you're telling yourself about your SP? Because that story that you're consistently telling yourself, and more so the story on autopilot, not the story that you are affirming to yourself, but outside of the times that you're doing your affirmations, what are you thinking? Because if you're sitting there and doing a 10-minute affirmation session, and then you come out of that affirmation session, get on the phone with your friend, and you're like, yeah, my SP is still not doing what I want them to do. They're just pissing me off. That is the version of them that you are manifesting, okay? That is the version of them that you are assuming, because that is the natural state. That is the dominant thought. So the goal is to assume the best version of your SP always, no matter what, okay? You can assume a version of them and it may not instantly reflect in your reality. That doesn't mean you didn't instantly assume that version of them. It's going to manifest, but you looking for it, searching for it, wondering why they're not doing what you want them to do yet is only going to keep you on that hamster wheel. Once you assume a new identity for your SP, you only need to just stick to that and know that that is who they are now. And when you reach that state of knowing, in my opinion, it manifests. It gets a lot easier. The second reason why it is so easy for you to manifest your SP is because of thought transmission. All right. Thought transmission is real. Thought transmission is instant. You are thinking thoughts about your SP, and whatever thoughts you're thinking about them, they're picking up on those thoughts. All right. You could be thinking, my SP is so in love with me. They are so obsessed with me. They only want to be with me. And they are also thinking, I really love my SP, or I really love so-and-so. I really want to be with so-and-so. Man, I can't get so-and-so off my mind. Whatever you're thinking about them, they are picking up on that. And if you are somebody who is going back and forth with yourself, like you're affirming, but then you're complaining and wavering or searching, looking, wondering why it's not working, basically your SP is also picking up on those thoughts, right? So they are performing hot and cold behavior in your reality. They are giving you hot and cold behavior. They may call you for a little bit. They may be consistent with you for a little bit, and then they drop the ball. Then they ghost you. Then they disappear. You know what I mean? So, to eliminate all of that, you want to stand firm in your decision. Life is literally full of choices. So, you have the choice to decide who is your SP? Who are they to you? How do they treat you? How do they make you feel? Sit down and answer those questions. Get specific on it if you need to. And once you get specific on that stuff, stand firm in it, and your SP will reflect those affirmations right back to you. I had a friend, right? And this is just to show you how instant thought transmission is. Me and one of my friends, we go out to eat on Fridays, and we were going pretty regularly, and we hadn't gone in a while. I would say at least a month or two. And I was working. I looked at the time and I'm like, dang, I'm about to be off work soon. It's kind of late. It was almost like 6 o'clock, 6:30, something like that. And I was like, you know what? I wonder if she would want to go out to eat with me. I really want to go eat here. I really want us to go out to eat, but I know it's last minute. I wonder if she'll want to go, but I really want to go eat. These are the thoughts that I'm having, right? So I text her. I said, let me just text her and see if she wants to go eat. So I text her and said, hey, boo, I don't think I said anything else. I didn't ask her nothing about going out to eat, nothing. I was just breaking the ice because I knew it was last minute. She immediately responded back with a voice memo like, first of all, get out of my head because I was sitting over here thinking about you and wondering if you wanted to go out to eat to this specific restaurant that we like to go to, but I got sidetracked at work and now I come back to my phone and you text me. Thought transmission. And we did go out to eat that same day. It wasn't last minute and all that stuff that I was about to make up. I was just like, no, let me text her. Let me just text her and see if she wants to go eat. We were thinking the same thing literally at the same exact time. Another example of thought transmission, I was thinking of somebody that I hadn't talked to since February, and I believe it was around like June or July at this point. And I was telling one of my friends, oh yeah, I haven't talked to this person since February. I wouldn't mind if they reached out to me. Like, I wouldn't mind if they text me. They literally text me in that very moment. And I had not heard from them in 5 months or however long that is from February to July. Had not heard from them. They literally text me in that moment. All right. So thought transmission is instant, and that is your secret sauce. Whatever you are thinking about your SP, they are picking up on those thoughts instantly. So tell your SP what to do. Tell your SP how to treat you. If you need to pull out a picture of them and look at a picture of them and talk to their picture, do so. If you can visualize and hold a visualization of them in your mind, then visualize them standing in front of you and you telling them what you want them to do, or you hearing them say the things that you want them to say to you. It's all about your imagination. It's all about the thoughts, the dominant assumptions, and just what you're identifying as. If you identify as a version of yourself who doesn't get what they want, whose SP doesn't treat them how they want to be treated or love them or is obsessed with them or wants to be with them and all of this stuff, that's what you're going to experience. It's not rocket science. It is literally one of the easiest things ever. You have an SP, you have somebody that you want to be married to, in a relationship with, you're in no contact, you want to be back in contact with them, just assume that that is already the case. If you continue to decide that you are manifesting your SP, then you are manifesting a reality where you are manifesting your SP. So everything has to prove to you that you are still manifesting your SP. But when you tell yourself, oh no, I'm with my SP right now, like we are in the best relationship, we are in a loving relationship, like we are talking every single day, you're collapsing time. You're collapsing that time, and you are manifesting your SP a lot faster because you are assuming that identity to be true right now. One of my favorite techniques with manifesting a person is visualization. If you're a person who is able to visualize, then I highly recommend, if you are wavering a lot, or if you are getting sad a lot, or you are, just looking at your reality like, okay, why is it not here? Why are they not calling me yet? Why are they not blowing up my phone? Why are they not knocking at my door trying to take me out? If you're somebody who feels like that and you're getting sad or down, if you're able to visualize, visualization is one of my favorite techniques for this, because your subconscious only knows what you tell it. So if you close your eyes and you visualize you being on a date with your SP right now, your subconscious is going to believe that that is a physical experience right now. And your body is going to evoke emotions based off of that experience that it thinks it's having right now. And what do we know about that? When you give something to your subconscious, what does it do? It wants to give you more of that. So if you are giving your subconscious a visualization of you hanging out with your SP, or your SP bringing you flowers, or your phone blowing off the hook and constant blown up notifications from your SP, then your subconscious is like, oh, cool, this is what's going on for us. Let's continue to experience this. And it's going to continue to give you more of those experiences. If you're not able to visualize, because I know not everybody is able to visualize, and no, you don't have to visualize to manifest anything. It's just a technique. You can use the telephone method, where you hear your SP telling you what you want them to say, or you hear somebody else speaking to you about your relationship. Use the audio type of method if you're not able to visualize. They all work the same. None of them are more powerful than the next. It's really just what resonates with you, what feels good for you. And it just feels natural for you, okay? So at the end of the day, let me remind you of this. If you're manifesting an SP, you are no longer manifesting them at this point, okay? From this moment moving forward, you're no longer manifesting your SP. Why? Because you have them right now. You have already made the decision in this very moment that that person that you are manifesting, whether you know who they are or you don't, whether you're in no contact with them or you're in constant communication with them already, and they're just not showing up how you want them to show up, no matter what the case or the circumstance is, it doesn't matter, because that person wants to be with you right now in this very moment. You are the only person that they are thinking about. You are the only person that they want to be with. They want nobody else in this world other than you. The fact that you want them means that they want you even more. They are going to be blowing up your phone. They are going to come searching for you. They are going to give you the world and make you the happiest person ever. Okay? That is how it is going to be for you from now on moving forward. And after you turn off this video, I need you to assume that identity. I need you to tell yourself all of the positive affirmations, the positive storyline of your SP, whatever bad thoughts, whatever bad assumptions, whatever you were assuming about them that was negative. I want you to throw it out the window. Go ahead and let go of that identity of them, because your thoughts transmit very fastly, okay? Your thoughts also create. So we're not going to create a version of our SP that we do not like, all right? Manifesting your SP is an easy thing for you. It is the easiest thing for you to do. Manifesting people is so easy for you. It's effortless, all right? Your SP is going to blow up your phone, okay? Because they just can't go another day without talking to you. You are able to manifest any single thing, especially this SP. Don't get down. Don't get sad. I don't care if you've been in no contact for 2-3 years. You are now in a relationship. You are now engaged. You are now married. You are in the most loving relationship ever with your SP. Assume that identity, all right? That's all you have to do. No questions asked. And when you start feeling down, pull this video back up. Remind yourself of who you are. You are the creator. You are the source. And everything, including people, are just a reflection of what you are doing, what you are deciding, and your dominant thoughts. So if you see how somebody is moving in your reality and you don't like it, go within and change it. Change the story that you are telling yourself. Be mindful of yourself. Don't complain about your SP all day long. Complain about them in a positive way. Complain about how much they love you. Complain about how much they adore you, how much they want to be with you. They are so clingy. They don't give you enough space. Do that instead of complaining about them in a negative way, and watch everything shift for you, okay? There's no secret sauce. There's nothing other than what you're dominantly assuming and the storyline that you're telling yourself, all right? You are the priority. You are chosen. You are irresistible, and you are the one that your SP wants, all right? You are literally the apple of their eye, okay? So if you have any questions or comments for me, especially pertaining to manifesting an SP, go ahead and leave them in the comments for me below. I will answer them in a short form video. Other than that, if you watch this video until the end, I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all in the next video.